So 1.5, the rectangular coordinate. So this section we want to talk about the plane graph. So basic information. If we have a plane graph like this, we always call the horizontal axis is x-axis and vertical one is y-axis. Okay, as you see, we have two different variable axes. So need to know how to determine x and y value. So if we have maybe 3, 4, as you know, 3 is located right here because that's x value and this y value, and y equal to 4 here. Okay, but please remember that this point must be together, but these 2 points, they're separated, right? So if you think 3 and 4, you can indicate this point and this point. That's not right way to plot the point. Then how to find the 3 and 4 appear at the same time? So I'm going to erase this part, and then now we are going to talk about how to indicate that. Okay? So one way is we're going to find out their intercept point. So x equals 3 is this line. And then y equals 4 is this line here. Therefore, this point where x equals 3 and then y equals 4, they meet. That particular point, now we have both 3 and 4. So this is right point to plot the point 3 and 4 here. At the same time, we can make a negative 1 and maybe 4. Then go here and then 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Okay, so there will be negative 1, 4. And then 0, negative 5. Then from here, you only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 go down. There will be 0 and negative 5. On the other hand, you may do 2 and 0. There will be right here. Okay, so that's how we plot those points anyway. Now, let's talk about maybe distance between 2 points. So first of all, the given points are negative 3, 8, and then negative 5, 12. So let's plot those points on the plane graph. Okay, so first of all, negative 3 and 8, which is, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there will be negative 3, 8 here. And 5 and 12, which is, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there will be 5, 12 here. And then you draw the line. Then that connects basically these 2 points. Then how to find the distance between these 2 points? One easier way is you may draw the triangle here. Especially right triangle. Then you may think this is the the run and the rise like that. Okay? So then let's find out total length between 2 axes. So we just count it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this length will become 8. And then up here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's become 4 here. Now we know x length and then y length, and this is 90 degrees. So use the Pythagorean theorem, then we can find the length of this line here. Okay? So I'm gonna make this c. So c square equal to a square plus 4 square. Then now this become c square equal to 64 plus 16. So c square equal to 80. Okay, now square root. Then c equal to only positive 80. Because length cannot be negative value, you only accept positive value here. Okay, but now if it is the final answer, then that will be great, but we need to find out whether we can simplify them. So you need to find prime factorization of this number. So 80 means 10 times 8, 10 means 5 times 2, 8 means 2 times 4, 4 means 2 times 2. Therefore, c equal root 80, which means root 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5, which means root 4, another root 4, and then root 5. You all know that this means 2 times 2, so c equal to 4 root 5. That will be the answer for this problem.